Hello trainers, Mega King, our trainer here, and welcome to another card pack opening! Let's get started. So today, we're going to be opening the, let's see what it is, skeledirge EX Premium Collection. Yeah, I just got it. So, let's start. I scared my cat a little bit. Okay, so here it is. We got the jumbo card, the 3 evolution cards, and we got 8 packs of Paldean Fates. Gosh. So here's the jumbo card. Here are the 3 cards, which I'll open them later. And here, oh my gosh, are the 8 packs of Paldean Fates. Well, here's 4 at least, half of them. And here's the other half. Gosh. Okay, so let's start with the odd one out, Dondozo. I think that's the odd one out. One sec. Yeah, the odd one out, Dondozo. Okay, finally, I got it open. Okay, so we got Tandemouse, Mankey, Flittle, Pikachu, Primeape, Artisan, Lantern, Charcadet, Woobat, and what's this one? Oh gosh, this is one of the Magmortar. Now I'm gonna open a Pikachu pack. There's like 3 of them in there, so hopefully one's got something good in there. Okay. Yeah, got it. Got it. I got it. I got it. So I got Maractus, Paldean Student, Lapras, Scraggy, Primeape again, Ultra Ball, Mousehold, yeah, Mousehold, Haunta, the Primeape again, and oh gosh. Mimikyu. Okay, next pack. Okay, this is the last pack. Cerulege? I think it's Cerulege. Sorry, I paused there. Yeah, I think it's Cerulege. Like cerulean and edge. I think that's how it goes. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay. We got Woopa, Greavard, Charcadet, Clobopus, Curlia, Gengar, which I think I already have this Gengar. Is this a... No, I don't see a... Crisis Punch, Technical Machine Crisis Punch, and... Camerupt, Golden Go, awesome. One sec. And last but not least, ooh, I got the Paldean Student Violet form. Awesome. Full art, by the way, which I'm really excited that I got that. So... anyway, that's about it. So until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, also ring that bell for more notifications. And also, share this video with your family and friends. And until then, love ya, stand out, and be the best you can be. Bye!